In agriculture, fertilization is still commonly done based on estimation. This often leads to overuse, underuse, higher cost, and lower efficiency. Introducing Live-In, an AI-powered smart device for precise fertilization. Live-In analyzes plant leaf to detect nutrient conditions instantly and help farmer apply the right fertilizer dose at the right place. The process is simple. Scan the leaf. AI analyzes nutrient status, nitrogen levels are identified. Fertilizer dosage is calculated. Then variable rate application is applied with precision. Live-In uses advanced mapping technology based on nitrogen cracking analysis to generate accurate fertilizer recommendations across the field. Designed for the field, Live-In features USB Type-C charging, 3000 mAh battery, up to 4 hours operation, Bluetooth connectivity, GeoJSON and CSV export for GIS analysis. Live-In's primary advantage is its multi-crop flexibility. It supports a diverse range of crops, catering to both food staples and industrial commodities, including coffee, corn, sugarcane, rice, and tobacco. To use Live-In, open the app, turn on the device, connect via Bluetooth, insert the third lead, and clip it 5 times. Results appear instantly with recommendations and location. Live-In, smart farming for precise, efficient, and sustainable fertilization.